Hello friends, welcome to your own channel Subscribe for Jobs. As most of you now know me that I am a search consultant working with an executive search firm here in Gurgaon, and we keep on getting different mandates from our clients as well. It is a very difficult time wherein we hardly get any mandate from our clients, as hiring is on a back burner for them, or most of the people have lost their jobs or they have got a pay cuts as well. So I thought, why don't I share not only the senior one but the middle level as well. So today I am here to share a mandate which is at a mid-level hirings, what we are engaged in, and this is for manager accounts payable role. This is with one of our client which is a conglomerate, and they are headquartered in Canada. This is a 120-year-old organization, and they have their operations across the globe with total top line would be around $56 billion. They have their interest in different businesses like commercial real estate, hospitality, private equity. So they have multiple businesses with them. As you know, I keep on sharing different mandates with you. And lastly, I've shared a mandate which is for senior manager closing and reporting. So you can see all these mandates here in card section. I'll put all these kind of mandates in the card sections as well, so that you can easily go through my previous videos as well. Now let's talk about today's video. And I am here, as I mentioned, we have this opportunity for manager accounts payable role. This is a role wherein the person will be responsible for managing vendor invoice processing and payments, MIS, expense variance analysis, GST TDS reporting and reconciliation, audit management, and other accounts payable related work. This position will be directly reporting into the senior GM, and this person will also manage a small team of people as well. The CTC for this position is around 15 to 18 lakhs per annum, and the position is based out of Delhi NCR. In case you find it interesting for yourself, then do share your updated CV with me at my official email ID, which is cv3.ggn@eta.in. In case you think that okay, this is not a relevant opportunity for you, and this is quite relevant for any of your professional or personal acquaintance, then do share this opportunity with them as well. Further updates on the jobs, do subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. If you have any queries, you can write back to us in the comment section, and we will try and get back to you ASAP. See you in the next video. Thank you so much for now.